Once upon a time, a hot summer day, a crow became very thirsty. It had been flying for a long time and could not find any water. Finally, it saw a pitcher with some water at the bottom. However, the water level was too low for the crow to reach by simply drinking from it. The clever crow didn't give up. The crow thought hard for a while, then looking around it, he saw some pebbles. He suddenly had a good idea. It started dropping pebbles into the pitcher one by one. With each pebble, the water level rose slightly. The crow continued this until the water was high enough for it to drink comfortably. After quenching its thirst, the crow flew away happily, having solved its problem with intelligence and perseverance. The moral of the story teaches us that with creativity, determination, and persistence, we can overcome even the most challenging situations. It's a timeless lesson about using one's wit and resources wisely to find solutions to problems.